Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by preparing the phone, unlock it and make sure battery saver is off because that forces shorter timeouts. Once done, open Settings and tap Display to begin. This is where Screen Timeout lives. If you have an older or newer One UI, labels differ slightly, so glance for Screen Timeout, Sleep, or Keep Screen on while viewing. Make sure you're not in a restricted mode like Secure Folder that hides options. Now find Screen Timeout or Sleep and choose the longest duration available. This directly sets how long the display stays on after an activity. If you don't see a Never option, use Smart Stay or Developer options. Enable Smart Stay under Advanced Features, Motions, and Gestures to keep screen on while you look at it, or enable Developer options and toggle Stay Awake to keep the screen on while charging. These are safer alternatives to removing timeout completely. Finish by testing. Close settings and leave the screen idle to confirm the new behavior. If it still times out, make sure any power saving mode is disabled and reboot the device to apply changes. If you used Smart Stay and it fails, check that the front camera has permission and there's enough light for face detection. If issues persist, reset display settings or revert developer toggles and try adjusting timeout again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.